Truth be told, DIY skincare is usually a bad idea. A really, 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 really bad idea. Really bad idea. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Alexis Stevens, a board-certified dermatologist, and today I am here to help you by telling you to avoid putting these 6 things on your face. At least once a week, I have someone come in with a really bad chemical burn, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, or worse from one of these 6 things. The scary part is that they are super commonly put here on YouTube as DIY projects for things like brightening your skin, and what you don't realize is they can actually worsen the pigmentation that you're actually trying to fight. So let's go through them. First things first, please don't put any lemon on your skin. Putting lemon on your face is a terrible idea. Putting lemon on your skin is also a terrible idea, but especially your facial skin. Here's why. There's something called phytophotodermatitis. I know, big fancy medical term. What it means for you is worsening of your pigmentation, irritation, and possible burning of the skin from just applying something as acidic as lemon. Lemon is way too acidic for your face and can lead to lots of problems. It's great for your water. Please, drink it all you want, but whatever you do, don't put it on your face. It's also really commonly known as margarita rash when they're using limes in their margarita and some of the lime gets on the skin. Acidic things mixed with UV radiation from the sun is terrible for your skin. Listen to nothing else. At least, please, as a PSA, tell anyone you love to stop putting lemon on their skin. All right, the number 2 thing to stop putting on your skin is toothpaste. Guys, we are in 2020. If you need to get rid of acne, a pimple, a zit, quickly, overnight, there are so many better ways to do it. Toothpaste is not the answer. I know, it dries that out, but guess what happens the next day or the day after? Oh, you got a little dark acne mark around that irritation. Dark spots surrounding your skin comes from irritation by putting things on that shouldn't be on there. Remember, acne is very inflammatory. If you go and put something on it that dries it out but leaves it with irritation, you, my friend, will end up with a dark spot afterwards, or worse. You can even get scarring from toothpaste. So I say just no to the toothpaste on your skin. Okay. It's so popular nowadays, but I have to tell you that walnut scrubs are terrible for your skin. When I tell you terrible, I mean terrible. All of those very popular and trendy skincare brands right now have these lovely walnut scrubs. Well, guess what? Those walnuts have jagged edges. There are chemical exfoliators and physical exfoliators. When you're using things like walnut scrubs, you are using a physical exfoliator. Physical exfoliators are okay in moderation. I don't love them. I prefer chemical, but if you're going to do a physical one, do something with smoother edges, something that's nice and round. Anything with a jagged edge, like a walnut, is causing too much abrasion to your skin. It's too abrasive. You can get micro tears, you can get irritation, you can get inflammation, just from using the wrong scrub. So I say, if you have to use a physical scrub, please go with something more round. If you're really just looking for a way to exfoliate your skin, I would go with a chemical. Chemical exfoliators are much more gentle and just as effective as a physical exfoliator. If you're going to do a physical exfoliator, go to a board-certified dermatologist, or you can even go to a really great esthetician. They have really good devices that can help with physical exfoliation of your skin, whether it's dermaplaning or doing something like a dermal fusion, which is also known as a diamond glow. Those physical exfoliators are efficient, effective, safe, and will not leave you with any of these irritations that walnut scrubs from very famous and trendy brands can cause you. My 4th recommendation of what to never put on your facial skin is hot water. I know I'm killing your dreams right now. Hot water is so nice. It feels fantastic when you're in the shower, but putting hot water on your skin actually strips the moisture from it. When you break down the outer skin barrier of your skin, you're allowing for more irritation to occur there, and whatever your skin ailment could be, you're actually exacerbating it. So please turn the water down to more of a lukewarm temperature. I'm not telling you to put cold water on your face because that also has some negatives. Lukewarm, right in the middle, that's your happy place. Let's not strip the moisture from your skin. Your skin needs that top stratum corneum outer layer, and putting that piping hot water on there is damaging that. Number 5 tip of what to not put on your skin is going to be baking soda. A lot of people are doing these DIY projects that require a base of baking soda, but baking soda is super irritating to the skin. Not only is it irritating to the skin, but it actually makes you more prone to sun damage, which is what we're fighting to begin with. Sun damage to the skin causes hyperpigmentation, can make your rosacea worse, can make your acne worse, can make dark spots worse. So the last thing you should be doing is putting on baking soda to your face, because it can exacerbate most of the problems that you're trying to fight in the first place. In addition, baking soda actually really does remove the moisture from your skin. Remember, moisture in your skin is what you want. Even if you have oily skin, you need to be moisturizing. So removing excess moisture from your skin with baking soda is a really bad idea. Side note, a lot of people who have turned to these natural deodorants, myself included, can get hyperpigmentation underneath the underarms. Have you noticed some dark spots happening underneath your underarms, or are you having irritation underneath your underarms? So if you're looking for a natural deodorant, I would choose one that does not have baking soda in there if you are prone to irritation or having hyperpigmentation underneath the arms. Alright guys, and last but definitely not least is bar soap. Please stop putting bar soap on your face. Your face is needing facial cleansers specifically made for the pH of your skin on your face. The skin on our body is so very different than the skin on our face, and our face needs special attention. Using bar soap on your face is a terrible idea. It's super duper drying. Most of them have sodium lauryl sulfate, or SLS, and that causes lots of foams and bubbles, and that's what people like to use in the shower to feel very clean, which is fine for the most part. If you're not prone to eczema or you don't have overly dry skin, using SLS in your bar soap will not wreak the same havoc that it will wreak if you use it on your face. So remember, do not use any bar soaps on your face. You can use bar soaps on your body, of course, it's not a problem, but bar soap on the face is just the wrong pH. It's way too alkaline, and it's going to cause your face to have so much moisture coming out unnecessarily. Remember, if it's super duper foamy and bubbly, then it's not that great for the moisture on your skin. There are many complications that can arise from using products that are either too acidic, too alkaline, or too abrasive for the skin. This week, I treated a young woman for a pretty substantial chemical burn that she learned from a DIY project here on YouTube. It was a lemon skin brightening treatment, and she followed the instructions just as directed in the video, and it resulted in a very severe chemical burn for her. You can avoid these types of things by buying your skincare from a reputable store, distributor, or doctor's office, so that you don't have permanent skin damage to your skin. So those are the top 6 ingredients I recommend you never, ever put on your face. Trust that there are so many more things that I see in the office every day that should definitely not be put on your face. This video was truly sparked by the pretty severe chemical burn that I saw on a patient who did the lemon DIY skincare treatment. That was a video, and a very popular video here on YouTube. Remember, you could just skip the trends. A lot of them are causing very severe permanent skin issues and irritations and scarring that are just not necessary. If you truly have a skin issue, please go see your dermatologist or your esthetician so that you can get it treated properly and safely. If you're interested in any other skincare tips or tricks, I give lots of them over on my IG, which is at Dr. Alexis Stevens. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Until next time, take care and stay away from the DIYs.